Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Dolan Homes. Today we are looking at the ongoing renovations of a one bedroom, one bath manufactured home. So you'll have to go back and look at the other video that was done as you can see the progress that's taken place. Today I staged the house and I want you to see how lovely this house looks when it has your furniture in it. So here's a little idea of how expansive it is and the big windows and what a flash of color does to the whole house. Look at this, isn't that lovely? So you've got a kitchen with a little counter, and I put 3 little bar stools there so you can see what that would look like, and a little couch, and like I said, some greenery and decorations to give it just some life. We cleaned all the doors and the screens, and the floor, as you see, is a new laminate flooring. I mentioned that in my previous video. There's new appliances. They're all stainless steel. You've got a refrigerator, a microwave, a stove oven combination, and the dishwasher. Here's the sink area, the countertop. It's a great one-bedroom house. It's brand new. You can see all the appliances have warranties, and we are located between the New Jersey Turnpike and Route 1 and 9. So it's a really great location. I don't know, we're 25 minutes from Manhattan. If you drive on a good day, I think a lot of people commute by bus to make it easier or take the train. I think Rahway is the closest train station. Here's the inside of all the appliances. I try to be really transparent with everyone and show everything that we have. Here's the dining room area. The chandelier above, so you could probably have a much bigger table than that, but at least it gives you an idea of what it'll be like. This is a little pantry area. This house is a Pine Grove, and it is an Energy Star certified home, so it's very well insulated. Pine Grove homes are built in Pine Grove, Pennsylvania. It's a fabulous company. These are all wood cabinets. That's water-resistant paper in the kitchen. That's your furnace for your heat and your central air conditioning. Here's a little laundry area that I staged for you, and you would supply your own washer and dryer. And again, these are the all wood cabinets. We'll take a peek in the bedroom in a minute. Here's the bathroom. It's got a longer than normal vanity sink. I put some decorations in here too. You've got a linen closet there. New commode. I added this bright and cheery shower curtain, and here's a look at the bathtub. It's got a great shower head there at the top. Here's the countertop, new faucet, great 6-panel doors. Here's the linen closet. There's hooks in it. So this is a pre-owned home that we've been renovating. Beautifully, beautifully maintained, and it's a great house for a single person or a couple. It's got one room, one car parking in front of the house. Here's the bedroom. So I have this bench there and a nightstand, but you could probably put a queen size bed there. So I'm trying to spread the bedspread, that's a king size bedspread, to give you a sense of how big the room is. That's brand new carpeting, and the whole house was painted. There's a little nook area there for your other furnishings you might want to add. That's your closet. That's your access panel for your bathtub. Let's take a peek inside the closet, or wait, I guess we're gonna go back to the corner and no, here we go. There's your little splash of color in the closet. Hooks behind the door. And here's what I was talking about. I wanted to show you it's a 100 amp electric panel, same as a regular house. Everything's labeled. Huge windows, really very sunny. Got fans both in the living room and the bedroom. Taking a peek as we walk down the hallway. And then after this video, we'll look at some still shots of different parts of the house. So stay tuned for that. Pretty much you want to go to the website, myhomeincarteret.com. And that'll give you the listings for new construction homes that are being built by Dolan Homes in Carteret Mobile Park. You got a mailbox, you got 1-car parking there. To take a peek at the neighborhood. Here's a yard. The guys were here and were able to cut the grass. We still have to power wash the outside of the house and power wash the deck. That is your central air conditioner. You get a shed. That's your neighbor. This is your little area. And we have to do new light fixtures, and we took the shutters down and we're painting them. So every day we do a little bit more. There's the front of the house. There's the rest of the neighborhood. So Carteret, New Jersey is in the heart of Middlesex County. And like I said, we're in the shadow of New York City. It's a great location, easy access to major highways, Newark Airport, hospitals. Go to our website, My Home in Carteret, and you'll see all the information that I posted with regards to what's nearby. Rutgers University is nearby. Robert Wood Johnson Hospital is nearby. Here's some still photographs that we'll run through, give you an idea of what the house could accommodate. I've seen people put in an L-shaped couch there. Carteret Mobile Park was started in 1954 by 4 men from Carteret, New Jersey, and one of them was the managing member's father. So he's, you'll see when we get to the end of the pictures that Robert Dolan is the managing member, and he has a lot of skill and all the licenses and all of the credentials to be able to build manufactured homes in New Jersey. This house really pops. It is just charming. I mean, I like to stage the houses with some great colors. I'm sure other people like to do things a little bit more subdued. But honestly, when I do photographs, it stands out more when I add bright and cheery colors, all the primary colors, red and orange and green and blue. So that's what I tend to do. I'm sure there's a professional way to do it, but I do it from my heart. In the bedroom again. Lots of pictures. These are all on the website also, so you can go look at those individually. Here's the house without the shutters that we're painting. So as I mentioned, the Dolan family has been building manufactured homes in New Jersey. Wow, since there's my son, my husband, and my nephew. Those are the 3 Dolans. Robert Dolan is the managing partner, as I mentioned. You can go to our website, Dolan Homes, and it'll take you directly to the Carteret listings. We have 3 communities in New Jersey that we manage. Here's our amazing crew. This is in Carteret, one of these houses that we built when everybody was together. This is our construction crew, Conception, Raul, and this is our family. And our nephew and our son often bring their sons. I have a list here of advantages of purchasing with us. This particular location is in Carteret, New Jersey, and it's called Carteret Mobile Park. This is a land lease community of manufactured homes. We are not a campground. Unfortunately, I get a lot of requests for bringing an RV here, and we are not licensed to do that. We're not licensed as a campground. We are a manufactured home community. We're located at 1501 Roosevelt Avenue in Carteret, New Jersey. This is the original farmhouse. It's now the office. And we see everybody by appointment only after answering the 15 pre-qualifying questions on the website. So there it is, My Home in Carteret. You enter. I did all the arrows that I could, and I painted the maintenance building on the corner on Blair Road so you know where to turn. And a lot of people think that's the office, but it's not. That's the maintenance building. And I got arrows all through the park showing the way to get to the office. I have our website readily available for everyone to see and be able to contact us. We're available by email 24/7. And if you call, you will get a message that says to please email us, especially because I'm working remotely. So start at the website, myhomeincarteret.com.